Hello all, good to have you back for another video of Says Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the indicator of a tire puncture or the tire pressure indicator of a Volvo V70. It's a 2016 model. After every change of a tire or a puncture of a tire, you have to reset or reinitialize the indicator to get rid of this sign over here. Otherwise it's always on the instrument cluster, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself so we can help each other. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. If you don't like our videos, let me know why you don't like our videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. This is a V70, it's a 2016 model. And we had a flat tire and I repaired it, and I want to get rid of the sign on the instrument cluster. To get rid of the sign, we have to use this area over here. We start by using this button, My Car. Press it once. Once you press it, you'll get this sign over here, and then you have to use this one over here to go to tire monitor, confirm by this button, and confirm again to calibrate tire pressure as it indicates over here. Just confirm with OK, and it says continue with OK. And once you have done that, and as we go back to our instrument cluster, you will see that the indicator over here is gone. That was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.